In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use custom fields in Asana to organize your projects. 5 minutes. Let's start by signing in to Asana. Open your browser, go to the Asana login page, enter your email address, and click Continue. Type your password and select Log In. After a moment, you'll land on your Asana homepage. From here, open the project where you want to use custom fields. This takes you to the project's main view, where you can see your tasks. To add custom fields, look to the top right and click Customize. In the panel that opens, choose Fields. This is where you can manage everything related to custom fields in your project. Click Create New to add a brand new field. Give your field a clear descriptive title so your team instantly understands its purpose. For example, you might use priority, effort, budget, or client. Keep naming consistent across projects to make reporting and filtering easier. Depending on your plan, you can pick a field type like dropdown, number, text, or date. Use dropdowns for standardized values such as high, medium, and low. Use numbers for estimates like hours or costs, and use text for quick notes that don't need strict options. When you're ready, click Create Field. Your new field now appears in the project, typically as a column in list view. You can click into any task to set the field's value. This is where custom fields shine. Once your tasks have values, you can sort and filter by those fields, making it effortless to surface the right work and keep everyone aligned. If you don't see the field, return to Customize, Open Fields, and make sure it's toggled on for this project. There's even more you can do in the same Customize area. If you use forms to intake work, you can map form questions to your custom fields so submissions arrive with the right values already filled in. That removes manual data entry and keeps your project consistent from the start. You can also create rules that react to field changes. For example, when a task's priority is set to high, you might automatically assign it to a lead, add a due date, or move it to a specific section. This kind of automation saves time and reduces errors, especially on fast-moving teams. Explore the other options in Customize to tailor your workspace further. With thoughtful field names, consistent values, and a bit of automation, custom fields turn your Asana projects into a powerful, organized system that scales with your team.